Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of red light therapy, a cutting-edge wellness tool that's taking the health and beauty world by storm. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, heal faster, improve your skin, or even sharpen your brain, red light therapy might just be your new best friend. Stick around, because we're covering all of the incredible benefits of this therapy in just about 11 minutes. So let's get started. First, a quick rundown. Red light therapy, or RLT, uses low wavelength, red, and near infrared light to penetrate your skin and stimulate your cells. It's non-invasive, painless, and backed by a growing body of research. Think of it as giving your cells a supercharged energy boost. So what can it do for you? Let's break it down. Inflammation is the root of many health issues, from joint pain to chronic diseases. Red light therapy works by reducing oxidative stress and calming inflammatory markers in your body. Studies show it can help with conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and even autoimmune disorders. Less inflammation means less pain and a healthier you. Want that youthful glow? Red light therapy is a game changer for skin health. It boosts collagen production, which plumps up your skin, reduces wrinkles, and improves elasticity. It's also been shown to fade scars, reduce acne, and even out skin tone. Dermatologists love it, and it's a staple in beauty protocols for a reason. Hair loss? Red light therapy might help. Research shows it can stimulate hair follicles, improve scalp health, and even reverse alopecia in some cases. By increasing blood flow and cellular energy, it creates the perfect environment for thicker, healthier hair. Say goodbye to those thinning patches. Athletes, listen up. Red light therapy is a secret weapon for recovery. It speeds up muscle repair, reduces soreness, and gets you back in the game faster. Studies show it can cut recovery time by boosting blood flow and reducing muscle damage. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a pro, this is a must-try. Here's where the magic happens. Red light therapy targets your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. It stimulates them to produce more adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, your body's energy currency. More ATP means more energy, better cellular function, and a body that's firing on all cylinders. Feeling sluggish? Red light therapy can help boost your energy levels naturally. By enhancing mitochondrial function and reducing oxidative stress, it gives you a sustainable energy lift without the caffeine crash. It's like a daily recharge for your body. Struggling with sleep? Red light therapy can improve your sleep quality by regulating melatonin production, your body's sleep hormone. Using red light in the evening mimics natural sunset hues, helping you wind down and get deeper, more restorative sleep. Red light therapy is showing promise for eye health, especially for conditions like macular degeneration. Studies suggest it can protect retinal cells and improve vision by reducing oxidative stress in the eyes. It's an exciting frontier for vision care. For those managing diabetes, red light therapy may improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. It reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key drivers in insulin resistance. It's not a cure, but it's a powerful complementary tool. Red light therapy isn't just for skin or muscles. It can also boost testosterone in men and improve fertility in both men and women. By enhancing mitochondrial function and blood flow, it supports hormone production and reproductive health. It's a natural way to optimize vitality. Struggling with thyroid issues? Red light therapy may help regulate thyroid function, especially for those with hypothyroidism. Studies suggest it can reduce inflammation in the thyroid gland and improve hormone output, giving you more energy and balance. Want a sharper mind? Red light therapy can enhance cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain and reducing inflammation. It's being studied for conditions like Alzheimer's, traumatic brain injuries, and even depression. A clearer mind is just a session away. Recovering from surgery or an injury? Red light therapy accelerates wound healing by boosting collagen, reducing inflammation, and promoting tissue repair. It's been used in hospitals to help patients heal faster and with less scarring. Believe it or not, red light therapy is being explored for hearing restoration. Early studies suggest it can protect auditory cells and improve hearing in cases of age-related hearing loss or noise-induced damage. It's an exciting area of research. Oxidative stress is like rust in your body. It ages you and fuels disease. Red light therapy acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals and protecting your cells. This means better overall health and a slower aging process. Wow, that's a lot of benefits, right? From glowing skin to sharper focus, faster recovery, and even better sleep, red light therapy is like a Swiss Army knife for your health. But here's the best part. It's easy to use at home with affordable devices, or you can visit a clinic for professional treatments. Once you have your device, you can do a deeper dive on how to specifically target the light at the area that you want to concentrate on. For example, if you want to work on your thyroid, you would shine the light in your throat area as opposed to your arms, for example. Again, there's plenty of data available online. Now, let's talk about picking the right device. Not all red light therapy devices are created equal. So here's what to look for. Wavelength. Go for devices with 630 to 670 nanometers red light for skin benefits like collagen production, and 810 to 850 nanometers near infrared light for deeper tissue penetration like muscles and joints. Combo devices with both are ideal for versatility. Irradiance, that's power density. This measures the light energy delivered to your skin in milliwatts per square centimeter. For skin treatments, 25 to 80 milliwatts per square centimeter is great. For deeper tissues, aim for 100 milliwatts per square centimeter or higher. Check the irradiance at the recommended distance, usually 6 to 12 inches. Device types. Masks, perfect for facial treatments like acne or wrinkles. Look for FDA-cleared masks with 630 to 660 nanometers and 830 nanometers, like the Unlucky Contour Face Mask. Panels, great for full body or targeted areas. Choose larger panels with high irradiance, 100 plus milliwatts per centimeter squared, for muscle recovery or pain relief, like the Huga red light therapy panel. Wands, portable for spot treatments like the SolarWave 4-in-1 wand with 630 to 855 nanometer wavelengths. Beds or saunas, best for full body therapy, often combining red and near infrared light. They're pricier but powerful. Features, look for timers, adjustable intensity, and pulsing modes for customized treatments. Pulsing may enhance relaxation and healing. Safety. Choose FDA-cleared or CE-certified devices from reputable brands to ensure quality and safety. Avoid cheap devices with unverified wavelengths or low power. Pro tip: larger devices with more LEDs deliver more light energy, but smaller ones are great for travel or targeted use. Check reviews and specs before buying. Before you try red light therapy, talk to your doctor, especially if you have medical conditions or are pregnant. And if you're ready to give it a shot, check out the links in the description for trusted devices and more info. Have you tried red light therapy? Drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.